Hello. The whispering sound you hear that leaves make when blowing in the wind is called Psithurism. Take time on your nature walks among trees, especially in autumn, as you listen to the melodies of the wind in the trees. The benefits are when listening to natural earth's gentle sounds, brain connectivity reflects an outward directed focus of attention, and this then connects you directly to nature. The natural sounds of leaves blowing in the wind help you to then focus on the movement of the leaves as the wind blows them. Allow your mind to observe and listen. This stimulus in turn helps you to feel alive and connected to the earth, and this in turn helps you to produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin, which makes you feel relaxed to then connect with nature and become in tune with it. Ask a friend or family member to go with you on a hike in a local park or forest. Take your time walking the trails among the trees. Listen for the wind as it moves the leaves and creates its own unique music. How would you describe the sounds you hear from the movement of the leaves? Write down at least 5 descriptive words that describe what you hear. Do different trees result in different types of Psithurism? Perform your own research and find out. Spend time listening to the wind through the leaves in different areas of a local park or forest. For example, spend some time among pine trees and then switch to a grove of oak or maple trees. What difference do you notice in the sounds you hear? What do you think accounts for the differences in what you hear? Enjoy your next nature walk and be sure to observe and listen to the leaves as they blow through the wind. We hope you enjoyed this video.